I'ma go ape shit on you.
Bruh. In the jungle that they have to play, climbing trees like they do all day. No care in the world, no bills to pay. If it's the homies, then it's not gay. Just living their life like a chimpanzee. Yeah. They're just monkeys doing monkey things. And they'll always do what they've always done. They're just monkeys out here having fun. Monkey see, monkey do. Monkey pee and monkey poo. That's what they'll always do. Bruh. Took that banana like a glizzy. He's a glizzy gator. King K rule, but I ain't no hater. But if you're not a monkey, then back off this Dunk Kong country.
Okay.
Brethren to the Sasquatch, and to Willard too, as to the grass squatch. But all you boys wasting your time and money, simping for all of them Twitch slots. You drink to forget that, but you can't, no matter how many shots. I guess all you virgins will just have to stick to one of those sex spots. Yeah. They're just monkeys doing monkey things. And they'll always do what they've always done. They're just monkeys out here having fun. Monkey see, monkey do. Monkey pee and monkey poo. That's what they'll always do. Bruh. If you're a monkey, life is never a bore. Do what you want, got no chores. Hey Carl, your mother is a whore. It rains cats and dogs, but monkeys, it fucking pours. Shove a banana up your own ass. You flex your car but can't afford the gas. Like DK in Mario Kart, I came in first while you're in last. To those drugs, I will pass. Cause remember kids, drugs are ass. Yeah. They're just monkeys doing monkey things. And they'll always do what they've always done. They're just monkeys out here having fun. Monkey see, monkey do. Monkey pee and monkey poo. That's what they'll always do.